Are you ready to uncover some hidden gems in the stock market? Today, I've uncovered two stocks under $10 that are absolute steals in 2024. Stick around because these picks could seriously supercharge your portfolio. I'm Joel Lim from Trading.Biz. I've been featured on Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ, MSN, and more. Stick around to find out these two stocks. First up, we have Harmony Gold. With gold demand skyrocketing and prices hitting record highs, Harmony Gold is perfectly positioned to shine. The South African mining company is up a staggering 55% year to date and continues to show strong revenue and free cash flow growth. Investing in Harmony Gold now could mean massive returns as gold continues to act as a safe haven against inflation. Next on our list is Fortuna Silver Mines. This Canadian powerhouse isn't just about silver. They're also into gold, lead, and zinc. With operations spanning the globe from Senegal to Peru, Fortuna Silver Mines reported a revenue increase of 28% in quarter one and a whopping 141% rise in income. Precious metals are in high demand, especially during economic uncertainties, making Fortuna Silver Mines a savvy investment choice. Remember, the best opportunities often lie in the places everyone else overlooks. Don't miss out on these two undervalued stocks with high potential. For more insights and tips, make sure to visit Trading.Biz. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more expert advice. And don't forget to visit Trading.Biz for all your investing needs. See you next time.